If you want a girl to think about you, miss you, or not be able to live without you, then directly saying I love you won't work. Girls' minds work a bit differently. To attract them, you need to play mind games. Don't be after her all the time. If you message her all the time, agree with her on everything, she'll think you're too easy. But if you sometimes don't reply and show that you're busy, she'll think, hey, why is he ignoring me? And from there, she'll start thinking about you. Fun and cool. Girls like those boys who are fun to talk to. If you only ask boring questions like, what are you doing? Have you eaten? She will never take you seriously. But if you make her laugh, tease her. She will start missing your conversations. Don't always say yes to everything. If a girl says, can you do this for me? And every time you say yes, then she will feel that you are nothing without her. But if you sometimes say no, then she will try to understand you more. And when a girl starts to understand someone, she thinks about them more. Keep the mystery alive. Girls like mystery. If you reveal everything, she will get bored. But if you sometimes leave things incomplete, like saying something interesting happened today, but you'll tell her later, her mind will get stuck there, and she won't be able to stop thinking about you. Improve yourself. If you want the girl to think about you, you'll have to make yourself someone that after meeting, she won't look at anyone else. Work on your body language, the way you talk, and your style. When you understand your own value, the girl will naturally think about you. So next time, when you want to attract a girl, just remember one thing.